Hello guys, welcome back once again. So in our previous part we completed this our team text and all of these things. Now in this part I'm gonna show you how can we add this and how can we do it horizontal scroll. Okay, so as you can see, this one is our container for this text, and after this container we need to add another container so that we can do this thing. And as I can say here, I think I need to increase the height of this whole container. Say it's 500. Okay, 500. All that we will change it. So after this container, in here first of all we need to add this size box. So new size box, and say height is going to be 10.0. and after this height, in here we need to add another container, and this container contain, so add margin as insert all, and I can say 10.0. and after this margin, in here we need to define the height. So let's say height is going to be 350.0, and width is going to be 200.0, and define the color is going to be I'm sorry, actually we don't need to define the white here because we need to add the whole white. So no need to add the white also here, color also here, because this don't contain the any background color. Okay, so after this we need to add the child, and this child will contain a list view. So list view, and inside the list view we need to add the children of widget. Okay, so container, list view, and the children of widget, and inside the children of widget, each and every item will contain this data: one image, two text, and this thing. So for doing this, what can we do? We need to define a new container, and the container is going to be what we can say, and the container, we can define the height of this container. Okay, so define the height is going to be 350.0, and also we need to define the width for this container, and width is going to, we can say, 250.0, and in here we need to select the color is going to be this colors dot, we can say, green color. So now do save, and if I do hot reload here, and what we will see, and see, I can see the color is this way. The reason is that if I change it to black, and I will see the black. See the black color, and right now I am seeing the full screen because I didn't define the white here, and this is the main part of this container. Okay, so I think in here we need to define the white so that we can see the exact how much white we want to say maybe the whole screen is 12, so 1250.0. now do save, and if I reload it, and see, this one will be our full item. So now in here we need to add our images. So this one is our container, and now in here we need to add a child, and this child will contain a column. So new column, and column contain a children of widget, and in here we need to add the images, then we need to add the text. So define a container, and this container add margin is going to be as insert all is going to be 10.0, and decoration is going to be new box decoration, new box decoration, and inside this box decoration we need to add the border radius. Is going to be border radius, border radius dot circular is going to be 15.0, and after that, and inside this border radius what we need to do, then we need to add the image, and image is going to be new decoration image, new decoration image, and this decoration image contain another image, and that is going to be the asset image, and that is going to be this asset image. And in here we need to add the image directory jpg, and don't forget to add the feed.boxfeed.cover. so feed boxfeed.cover, and in here, so this one is our first container. So in here we need to define our height and width for our image. So let's say 150.0 width, and height and width is going to be the same, 150.0. now do save, and if I run it here, and in here, now here we can see the images here. Okay, so this is the image here, and we can see the round shadow. So as you can see that we added our first column item inside this column, and we need another item. So now as you can see, we can see the images. Now we need text and to text according to this image. Okay, so once you will add, okay, so for doing this we need to add, so this one is our container, first container inside this column, and after this container add a column and add a size box. So new size box, and height is going to be 6.0, and add another container. So new container is going to be, okay, add margin is going to be as inset all, I can say 4.0, and the text is going to be, child is going to be new text, and I can say the Lauren is some dollar, just a dummy text, and choose the style, and style is going to be text style, and inside this text style we need to choose the color, and color is going to be, I think I can break it in the second line, and color is going to be colors.white, and in here we need to use the font size. Font size is going to be 20.0. okay, now save, and if I refresh it here, and in here we will be able to see this text, see the Lauren is a dollar sign, and we need another text, so I can simply copy it here. So simply copy it. So, and this one is going to be our second text, and our second text is, it is a long established fact, so I can add the same text. Then it is a long established fact. Okay, for this we don't need to add the font size 20, I think I can choose 15. okay, this one will be good. So Control S, and then if I refresh it, I will see these two texts, it's established and Lauren is some dollar signs. Okay, oh, I did a mistake, I selected 25, so need to select 15. And refresh it here. Now you can see, so now we are ready to go. So this one is our first item. So in our next part we will add some other part. Okay, so I think that's enough for this part. We will continue it from our next part. Thank you.